I wanted to take just a minute and introduce you to a new product that is a step above the rest. Now, when I say a step above the rest, you know that Pioneer has great quality product, but this one is gone from better to best, and it's in two different flowers that we find the most popular for weddings, because you've told us that they're the most popular, and that's the hydrangea, which is about 6 inches in diameter, and you can see it's a lot different in size than our traditional size. And also the peony, a premium flower, much more premium. Again, big difference in the size and the look of the peony. So make sure you take a look at the premium quality of the hydrangea and the peony and get those in for your weddings. It's really, they're a step above the rest. And so step it up to the new products that we have here at Pioneer.